Hello everyone, I'm Andrew McClendon, and today I bring you Helium. I will be sharing 3 simple things about this crypto, market information, some news, and a price prediction at the end. Let's begin. We're on CoinMarketCap as normal, and looking at Helium, HTN, that's their ticker, currently trading at $49.18. Has a market cap at $5 billion, and it's number 39 on the list. So guys, what is Helium? Helium HTN is a decentralized blockchain-powered network of Internet of Things, also known as IoT devices. Launched in July 2019, the Helium mainnet allows low-power wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across its network of nodes. Nodes come in the form of so-called hotspots, which are a combination of wireless gateway and blockchain mining devices used to operate nodes, thus mine and earn rewards in Helium's native cryptocurrency token, HTN. Helium's goal is to prepare IoT communication for the future, identifying inadequacies in current infrastructure from its birth in 2013. Want to read more information about it, guys? They have it right here, who are the founders, what makes Helium different. Well, let's check out some market information and where it's trading, or you can be where it's hodling. They're on Binance, FTX, Gate.io, Wazarex, Crypto.com exchange. They're on some other big ones. They're on Mandela exchange. So they get some other exchanges if you guys want to look at it. But one thing I did find interesting, they don't have a rating for this cryptocurrency. So if you guys want to look at more into this cryptocurrency, I would do a lot of research before trading or investing into this. Not saying that the rating is not important or not. It's just that having it makes it better, in my opinion. Let's check out some news. Here's the news that I have found one interesting article, and we'll read it together, guys. This is Block 1 attempts to revive EOS network with transfer of $210 million to Helios. So this is very interesting about all this activity comes to this cryptocurrency. I'm sorry, to Helios, and how it involves Helium. But if you guys want to check it out, please do. There's a lot of information about this and other articles. Please check it out. Let's check their website, guys. This is helium.com. Now, the website looks really fresh, really good. It looks much better than mine. But check out their mining spot. Click this right here on the left-hand side. Click mine. And they have some really important stuff about how they are mining and possibly how you guys can be a part of it. Okay? Let's check out their Twitter page, guys. They have 110,000 followers. So please check out what their tweets are. And probably have a lot of people tweeting about this and having a conversation that you guys can read about. Also follow me on Twitter, Andrew J. McClendon. Talk about, trading, investing, and politics, guys. All right, let's move on to Reddit. So Reddit, they have their own Reddit page. Same thing. Multiple people are talking about it. So read about it. Educate yourself about this cryptocurrency before jumping right into it. Let's begin that price prediction, though. Now, their chart is relatively young, and we're looking at very all-time highs. So trading this is completely out the question. If you trade it, go ahead. For me, I won't, because I think it's too much risk, and I don't like to have extra risk on a very volatile cryptocurrency. I don't like, if you're trading with margin and getting stopped out, it seems like a big pain. So hodling would be the only thing that I would be doing with this cryptocurrency. Let's kick it to the daily. So daily, you can definitely tell it is on a huge rampant run. But for me, so I missed all of this beautiful gains. If you are in these gains and you're doing really good, I would say, hey, if that was me down there, I would be taking some profits off and, making sure I get my initial investment back. So with this crypto, let's see. The only way for me to get a part of this, since I don't see it's, if it doesn't stop, and just say if it doesn't stop and continues on going, you don't want to miss that movement. I don't want to miss that movement if I was in a hodl this position. And if it heads back down, it's going to be kind of difficult. There's a lot of pressure pushing it up. So for me, the first thing I'm going to do is hodl this position. I'm going to use my Fibonacci extension. Turn this on. And it already busted past this. Woo! Those are huge gains. So for this, guys, I'm going to hodl a small position. And then to see if it can maintain and hold this structure. If it goes down, I'm not in a deep position because I'm only doing a small hodl position. But as it goes down, I'm going to increasingly add my position because I'm going to be doing my analogy that I've been doing on the other videos. If I had a job, worked every Friday, you get paid $500 a week. I'll take $100 from this, throw it into Helium on a Friday or weekly basis, and every week I'm building up like an emotional barrier so I don't exit the trade because it went down. I'm seeing this long term. I'm not using risk money. I'm not getting FOMO. But a price prediction, guys, obviously the only way to do a real price prediction is just to do the previous high that it's attempted before that wick down, and that's about $57. So we can say an easy $60. If $60, that's currently $11 higher. If I'm I'm going to take some profits off as it goes and run it from there, because this thing can go a whole lot higher possibly or a whole lot lower. Just manage your risk properly. I'm going to manage my risk properly if I can get in this position or not. But all right, guys, let's get to my website, AndreMcClendon.com. I fully updated the cryptocurrency portion of this website, so if you guys want to look at the chat, you guys have a conversation. Also, you guys can look at some of the cryptocurrencies and type it in here. What was the ticker again? HTN. So let's type in Helium. And they have right here, HTN USD. So while you're having a conversation with people, you get the chart up, have a conversation about cryptocurrencies. It's pretty easy to start. Just click that, hit guest, and begin. If you guys are on your cell phone, you won't see these charts at all, but you'll have the portion for the chat. But that's it, guys. That's the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. I'll have that conversation about Helium or the cryptocurrencies that you like. And that's the video, guys. Have a nice day.